Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm gonna be showing you how to get and add a tracking number to your orders in Shopify. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Shopify website right here at shopify.com if you've not already. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by the main page where you want to go ahead and log into your account. So log into your Shopify account, after which we can now access our store and all the options we have right here in the left side screen. As you can see, we have the home section, orders, products, and so on. So we can get started right now. Basically guys, we are first going to want to open up the orders section, and we can do so right here by clicking on orders. After opening up orders guys, you can see our orders are going to show right here, but for this I need a premium plan. I do not currently have, so I'm just going to go ahead and give you the step-by-step of what to do. So as you can see right here on the official help Shopify page, here we have the steps we need to do to go ahead and add a tracking number. Basically, you want to go to orders as we have just showed you, and click the order that you want to add a tracking number to. In the fulfill section where you want to add a tracking number, you're going to click add tracking, and in the tracking number field, add a tracking number from your shipping provider. So as you can see, these are the steps you need to follow. After that, you have some optional steps right here that you can do if you want some more options, but basically those are the steps you want to follow. And after that, you want to just click save in the order section, and after that, you will be successfully adding tracking numbers to your orders that your customers will be able to follow. But yeah guys, basically that's how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.